You're all welcome to Lean Digital Media. I'll be teaching you how to make a 3D logo using Pixellab. So we'll be making this particular logo showed on the screen. We are starting right away. If you don't have Pixellab installed in your phone, you can go to Google Play Store to do that. So you click on your default text button, and I'm going to be deleting this new text box because I will not be needing it for the logo design for now. So I go over to my gallery to insert the backgrounds I'll be needing for this design. Okay, this is the first background I'll be using. So I'm going to be changing the image size because I'll be using this YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to adjust the size. You can actually leave it as it is if you are not interested in using it as a YouTube thumbnail. You can use it for whatsoever you want to use it for. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to bring in my second background. I'll be going to my gallery once again. Now I'll be bringing in the second background. Okay, so I'll be adjusting it so that it fits properly with the first one. So I'll be going to my relative size. I'll be increasing the width to 100%. You click on your OK button. I'll go over to my gallery once again to bring in the third background. Okay, on the OK sign. So for the third one, I want to make it. So I'm adjusting it to the way I want it. I want it to look like this. Okay, so the next thing I'll be doing is to insert my text. So go to the new text button. So I'll bring it over to the middle of the design, and I'm going to be editing my text. I'll be adding some spaces before and after the text because I want the logo to occupy most part of the screen to be seated well. Okay, so now I will also be changing the fonts to the particular font I'm interested in. Okay, I go to my fonts. Okay, so I'll be adjusting this. I want to enlarge it. I want it bigger than this. So I'll be adjusting. Okay. Okay. So next what I'll be doing is we are going to start working on our design right now. So I'll go over to stroke. I'll be enabling my stroke. Then for the stroke width, I will increase it. Take it to 32. I'll click on my OK sign. Okay, so I'll be going to my texture. I'll be using the background for the second background as the texture for the logo. So I'll be using this as the texture. Click on your OK sign. I will enable my maintain ratio and my scale. I'm going to increase to 145%. So the next thing is I'll be merging these three items. I'll be merging the second background, the third background, and the text on it. That is the lane digital media. We go over to where we are to merge. So you click on the three of them. And I'm going to merge them right away. So that whatsoever I'm applying on them now, we apply to the three of them at once. So I'll go over to my erase color. I'm going to enable it. Then I'm go over to my color picker. I'm going to be erasing the color black. So I'll pick and I'm going to click. So I'm going to click on OK. So I've removed the black background. So I'll click on my OK sign. So I'll go over to my shadow. I'm going to enable my shadow. Then the blur radius, I'm going to reduce it a little. It to 8. The offset of X, I'm going to reduce it to something -7 is okay. Then for the Y, I'm going to increase it. Okay, 6 is okay. So I click on my OK. Then the next thing I will do is to go to emboss. I will enable my emboss. The light angle, I'm going to okay. Let me leave it at 49. Then for the intensity, I want to increase it to 100. Then for the ambient light, maybe reduce it a little. Okay. Then specular hardness, I will increase it. Then for the bevel, I will be reducing it. Okay, so I'm okay with this. So you just play with your design. When you are okay with whatever you are doing, you click on OK, and we are going over to save immediately. You can click on the save button at the top of the screen. You can save as either as a project or as an image. I'll be saving as an image. If you are saving as a project, that means you are still trying to work on that particular design. So there is option for you to edit and continue your work. But I'm true with whatever I'm doing, and so I'm going to be saving as an image. So you save with JPEG no transparency, and you select your quality to be ultra. Yes, and you have to save to your gallery. When you save to your gallery, you are going to see it in a Pixellab folder. There's a folder there that you are going to see every work, every design you have made in Pixellab. Everything will be stored in that folder in your gallery. So we can save right away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on my videos.